Well, this is an interesting question that came to me, and I see it so many times these days. As we said, 75% of people have color in their hair. So this is a cause for split ends. How many people do you see using hot irons on their hair? Especially because you can go and buy it at a supermarket with no training in it, and what you're doing, you're straightening your hair, and if you don't know how to glide your hair with the straighteners, you will cause split ends. So how do you cure split ends? In my view, you got to cut them off. That's the best thing. Prevention is what we're talking about here. How do you prevent split ends? Because once you get the split ends, if you don't do something about it, the split ends will continue up the hair shaft and it's going to look worse as it gets, instead of getting better. So once again, it goes back to using the right shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in. Using the right conditioner that you can leave it on the ends so it closes the cuticles on the hair. Once the hair is closed and you're using a leave-in, it's going to make it look silky. The split ends must be cut off. Now, if you've got small split ends, and people say, how many times should I cut my hair? Well, I normally say every 4 to 6 weeks, you should just go in and have those split ends re-looked at. Because or else it's going to go up the hair shaft. Use a good serum, a good leave-in is a must when you've got split ends. And also, it also depends on the colors that you use and what treatment you're doing. If you're using any hot irons, any harsh blow drying, you must use the right products.